Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your Motorola E32s. So we have to start from opening the Play Store, then look for the body temperature app. Now just install it and open. Then skip. And wait a second to close the ad. And then go to the simulation section, and if you want to start the simulating scanning process, just hold your finger in this place. Now wait a second again, close the ad, and as you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, tap on this button and choose save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.